Here are the top 5 Lenovo laptops of 2025, each designed for a distinct type of user, whether you're working hard at your job, engaging in artistic endeavors, or playing your favorite games. Lenovo truly offered something for everyone this year, from powerful performers to stylish daily devices. Now is the ideal moment to upgrade your setup and select the laptop that best suits your lifestyle if any of these models caught your eye. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you like this breakdown and would like more straightforward, honest, and useful tech guides. The reviews continue because of your support, and you won't want to miss what's coming up. Number 5. Lenovo IdeaPad 15.6-inch. The Lenovo IdeaPad 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop seems like a reliable daily companion, particularly if you balance work, school, and occasional amusement. The Windows 11 Pro experience, featuring integrated Copilot AI, is one of its most notable features. It's quite useful. You can use it to create basic pictures, converse with it via voice or text, and summarize documents. It lightens the experience of multitasking by adding a layer of ease. With 16 GB of RAM and a 13th generation Intel Core i5 processor, the laptop can handle most tasks with ease, including video chats, light gaming, and more demanding applications such as picture or video editing. The Lenovo IdeaPad 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop seems like a reliable daily companion, particularly if you balance work, school, and occasional amusement. The Windows 11 Pro experience, featuring integrated Copilot AI, is one of its most notable features. It's quite useful as you can use it to create basic pictures, converse with it via voice or text, and summarize documents. It lightens the experience of multitasking by adding a layer of ease. With 16 GB of RAM and a 13th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, the laptop can handle most tasks with ease, including video chats, light gaming, and more demanding applications, such as picture or video editing. It's not flawless, of course. The built-in Intel Iris Xe graphics are not designed for demanding AAA games, but they are suitable for daily use and modest gaming. The 1-megapixel webcam is passable but not outstanding. However, for the majority of customers, this IdeaPad is a dependable and pleasurable option due to the harmony of performance, mobility, and clever features. Number 4. Lenovo IdeaPad 1. One of the laptops that is easy to use right away is the Lenovo IdeaPad 1, which is straightforward, useful, and designed for daily work. The AMD Ryzen 5 7520U, a powerful 4-core processor, powers it. It can multitask, browse, stream videos, and do light editing without slowing you down. It handles casual visuals well when paired with integrated Radeon 610M graphics, but it is not designed for demanding creative work or intense gaming. One of its best characteristics is the 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen. It seems fluid to navigate, tap, and stream because it is bright, crisp, and surprisingly responsive. You have an amazing 87% screen-to-body ratio due to the thin bezels, which enhances the immersive experience. You also get 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and a 256 GB SSD, enough for speedy startup times and everyday storage, though power users may find the capacity a bit limited long-term. Another advantage is connectivity. With Wi-Fi 6, USB-A, and USB-C connections, HDMI, and even a full headphone mic combination jack, it covers all the basics without needing extra adapters. The 64GB microSD card that comes with it and the integrated media card reader are great extras for quickly increasing storage. It also features a 720p HD webcam with a full shutter, which is excellent for privacy, even though the video quality is more basic than professional. Windows 11 Home maintains everything familiar and simple to use, and the Abyss Blue style gives it a clean, contemporary appearance. All things considered, the IdeaPad 1 is a dependable, lightweight laptop that is perfect for students, casual users, and anybody else looking for a straightforward touchscreen notebook without needless complication. Number 3. Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3X. The Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3X seems to be a laptop designed for those who prefer speed, clever features, and long battery life without having to lug about a heavy device. With its AI-focused Copilot Plus experience and Snapdragon X platform, it makes multitasking, video conversations, and content management feel quicker and more organic. During AI-intensive operations, the integrated 45 TOPS NPU truly shines, enabling instantaneous completion of everything from background noise reduction to brief summaries. One of the main features is the 15.3-inch WXGA display. Vibrant colors and crisp contrast enhance the visual appeal of movies and casual games, while the 16:10 aspect ratio provides you more vertical area for work. If you prefer a large screen with a sleek appearance, this is ideal. With a metal chassis that has been certified to military-grade durability requirements, the design itself is stunning. It's lightweight, sturdy, and easy to carry, perfect for frequent travel. Additionally, you receive useful features like a real webcam shutter, a fingerprint reader, and Lenovo's Enhanced Security Suite, which increases your privacy control. Another significant benefit, particularly for travelers and students, is the all-day battery life combined with rapid boost charging. Additionally, anyone who eventually wants more room will appreciate the option to expand storage in the future. Naturally, some older software might not operate natively on an ARM-based machine, which could be a minor disadvantage for some users. However, the Slim 3X offers a seamless, contemporary, and reliable experience for daily chores, streaming, AI functions, and mobility. Number 2. Lenovo Legion 5 Gen 10. The Lenovo Legion 5 Gen 10 feels like a laptop designed for creatives and gamers who want power without compromising portability. It is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 260, an 8-core CPU, and can easily handle demanding games and intensive multitasking. Whether you're opening large games, editing films, or managing several apps at once, loading speeds are nearly instantaneous thanks to the 32GB of DDR5 RAM and the quick 1TB PCIe SSD. One of the most notable features is the 15.1-inch WQXGA OLED display. Visuals appear extraordinarily clear and vivid thanks to HDR True Black 600 deep contrast, 100% DCI-P3 color accuracy, and a smooth 165Hz refresh rate. It's fantastic for gaming, but it's equally stunning for streaming or creative work. For extended periods, low blue light technology is a pleasant addition. Modern games, ray-traced scenes, and GPU-intensive creative endeavors are all easily handled by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060, which offers significant graphics power. Additionally, the 24-zone RGB keyboard adds an entertaining visual element without being overpowering. Another advantage is connectivity, which includes several USB-A and USB-C ports, including USB-C with PD and USB 4, Ethernet, Bluetooth 5.4, HDMI 2.1 for up to 8K output, and even Wi-Fi 7. It has everything you need for both work and play. Naturally, there are some trade-offs associated with this degree of performance. OLED screens have the potential to be reflective, and under demanding operations, the power-hungry circuitry may rapidly deplete the battery. However, the Legion 5 Gen 10 is a remarkable all-rounder if you're searching for a speedy, aesthetically pleasing, feature-rich laptop that can handle heavy gaming and productivity. Number 1. Lenovo ThinkBook 16 Gen 7. One of those laptops designed for users who desire consistent performance without adding complexity to their workflow is the Lenovo ThinkBook 16 G7. It easily manages multitasking, data-intensive spreadsheets, coding, and creative work thanks to the AMD Ryzen 5 7533HS. When you combine that with a fast 1TB NVMe SSD and 32GB of DDR5 RAM, you get rapid boot times, seamless file access, and no lag during virtual meetings or demanding applications. It is obviously made for professionals, students, and business users who manage several jobs during the day. Another advantage is the 16-inch FHD Plus display. It is comfortable for extended work sessions because of its anti-glare coating, enhanced brightness, and stable color fidelity. The images appear clear and don't strain your eyes when you're working on presentations, creating graphics, or participating in video calls. Although it can't take the place of a gaming laptop, the integrated AMD Radeon 680M GPU performs surprisingly well when it comes to casual gaming, 4K streaming, and creative tasks. Additionally, you get Wi-Fi 6 for reliable, fast connectivity and a fingerprint sensor for speedy, secure logins. The ThinkBook's ports, HDMI, USB, and RJ45, make connecting to monitors and networks easy without the need for additional dongles, and the HD webcam performs admirably for online meetings. Naturally, this laptop lacks sophisticated, dedicated graphics and ostentatious design aspects because it is focused on commercial efficiency, but that's part of its appeal. It's simple, dependable, and designed for efficiency. The ThinkBook 16 G7 is a reliable, well-balanced choice for anyone looking for a powerful, everyday workstation. In search of the ideal laptop for 2025, Lenovo provides something for everyone this year, regardless of whether you're a professional, student, gamer, or content creator. These laptops combine performance, portability, and smart features to make life easier, ranging from stylish, lightweight daily computers to powerful machines designed for gaming and multitasking. Imagine rapid storage that keeps up with your workflow, bright, high-resolution screens, and AI-powered support. You'll find that in the 5 Lenovo laptops we've discussed today. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to Legit Pick.